Hello, today I'm going to show you how to knit stripes flat without cutting your yarn every time you change colors. This trick works whenever you're working an even number of rows, and all of your color changes happen on the same side. When it's time to change colors, hold the yarn from the color you've been using at the front of your work, and start knitting with the new color, bringing the yarn behind the old one. Once you've knit a couple stitches, you can let go of the old color. Here I've already completed 2 rows with my second color, and I'm ready for the next color change. We'll repeat the exact same steps as before. Bring the yarn you're not using to the front and hold it while you knit the new color behind it. By repeating these steps, your yarn strands will twist around each other along the edge, so you won't need to cut them every time you change color. If you're changing colors every 2 rows, this is all you need to keep your edges neat. If your color changes happens every 4 rows or more, you need to do one extra step. Take the yarn you're not using and bring it to the back of the work. Then continue knitting with your current color. This prevents the carried yarn from becoming too loose along the edge. Make sure to repeat this step every time you reach the edge where your yarn strands are, as long as you're not changing colors on that row. When it's time to change colors, the process is exactly the same as before. Bring the old color to the front. And without pulling it too tightly so the edge doesn't become tight, knit the new color behind it. If you follow these simple steps, you'll get a clean, neat finish, without having to cut your yarn every time you change color. And here you see the difference between the edge where we carried the yarn and the edge where no color changes were made. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.